Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we do first derivative of this one. First derivative of s squared. We have 2s. This one that is about number 1. This one we have 5s plus 4. This one that is about 10s plus 8. Now we need to divide both sides by number 2. This one we change by u. This one with the s we change by the u over number 2. This one we change by u to the power of negative number 4. Next, we have the formula in here. The integration of u to the power of n du. We have u to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1. And I will put about c. Now we can apply the formula in here. And now we have the final answer. This one we have negative number 3. This one we have negative number 3. About u, that is about this one. So number 2 and negative number 3, we have negative 1 over 6. This is the end. Thank you for watching.